So a while back, a subscriber asked me this question on how they can protect their eyes from, let's say, the screens of their devices, or just how to prevent eye strain. So I had to compile 5 different tips on how to do that, or how I do that in my case, because I've been wearing glasses for close to 7, more than 10 years now. I've been wearing glasses, and I'm 21. So I've been wearing glasses for more than 10 years. So I am actually in the right position to help you out with this, just so that you don't get going with a bad eyesight, like along the line in using your devices. And in my case too, I'm also into IT. I'm also a designer, and I do this like normally, like every time. I'm always in front of the screen, and I'm in front of the screen right now. So I think that I'm in the right position to help you out, to get me. Yeah, so I'm just going to be going right into it. And the first one would have to do with getting extra lights or getting ambient lighting. So for me, I've got something like a lamp here on my right side. And during the night, I turn that on when I'm working. And it's a yellow light. So it just kind of helped me to get an extra light, aside from me just focusing directly on the laptop screen. So with that, I'm able to help myself out to avoid these kind of light rays always entering into my eye. And secondly, you should also go in for light mode or night light mode. And here's the keys. So normally for this mode, it's turns on based on a schedule that you can create for yourself. Personally, I activate the schedule at 6 p.m. and then it turns off at 8 a.m. in the morning. So from 6 p.m. going, the screen becomes yellowish, and then it's just drains out all the blue light from the screen, and that's what it does. So this also prevents eye strain, and I've been using this kind of method for a really long time now, so I think that it should also help you out. Yeah, so this would help you be able to use your phone more comfortably, and it might differ in some cases depending on the phone you use. So you should try it out just in case you want it to work for you. And yeah, so then we move on to the 2020 method. And for the 2020 method, it's really very simple. For 20 minutes or after 20 minutes of you working, you should look away from your screen. Look away from your screen. Yeah, you look away from your screen for 20 seconds at a distance of 20 feet. So after you do some work for 20 minutes, and the Pomodoro timer might even help you out, because for the Pomodoro timer, you work for about 25 minutes, take a break for 5 minutes, and then you get back to work. So probably you could actually wait for 25 minutes, then you look away from your screen and everything 20 feet. And luckily for me, in front of me is my window. So if, let's say, I'm taking a break, I can actually just stand up and then just look away for some time, and then probably just sit down again and then continue working. You see, so that would also work for you. So 20. After 20 minutes, you look away for 20 seconds at a distance of 20 feet. Very simple. Then we move on to the anti-blue light glasses. And this is something that was trending back around, I think, last year, 2023. No, not like 2023, not 2024. It was trending 2023, 2022, thereabout. People were getting it a lot, and people are still getting it, especially if you get it from an eye doctor. It is actually going to help you a lot. So what the anti-blue light glasses do is that it filters out all the blue lights coming out from your screen. So it's like a coating on the lens. My lens is a prescribed lens actually, and my coating is a bit different from the anti-blue light that you see a lot. So it prevents light from actually entering into the screen, into your eyes, using like the glasses. So a lot of people who intensively use their laptops and things, or their monitors and all of that, gets those, and it really helps a lot. So I would advise that you spend a little bit of money getting this. And then we move on to checking your eyesight. See, it should be something that you should actually be doing always. At least in every year, you should go to the eye doctor, check your eye, see if everything is all right, just so that you know the status of your eyesight and things. Yeah, so I wouldn't actually want to disclose this and thing, but I have some eye conditions going on, and I wouldn't have known about them if I hadn't gone to the doctor. I've been going to the doctor since class 3 actually, so I know the status of my eyesight, how bad it's getting, how whether it's getting good and things like that. And then when I take my prescriptions and things, it's getting better and stuff like that. So you should see your eye doctor at least yearly. or if you can afford it or something, 6 months, every 6 months, you should see your eye doctor. Let's get your eye checked, make sure that everything is all right. If you need to wear glasses, you go in for glasses. There's nothing wrong with it. If you don't want to wear glasses, you can get contacts. But then for some very weird reason, I just don't like contact lenses. You get me? Yeah. And then lastly, we do an arm's length away. We are going to the military system. Yeah. It's an arm's length away. And basically, that's actually how I've been sitting for like almost 3 years now. Basically, see, my screen is here. And when I stretch my hand like this is an arm's length away. In the cadets, you do this to check if you're an arm's length away. Then you you clench your fingers or something. So take your hands should be an arm's length away. That's about a feet or something. Then you just place it in front of your screen just to see if you are in an like okay distance away from your screen. So you should try it out for yourself and then let me know if it works out for you. So yeah, it's as simple as that. I am Jehiel, and yeah, we are going to be ending it here. Yes, I'll be doing videos like this, so you should be expecting me more often. I've been away for so long. That's 9 months going, but I'm going to be trying to. I learned this from Nolan Motes, it's the name right, and he called it the podcast method. So you can actually be able to make a video within 1 hour, and you are good to go. So I tried it out, and I'm actually in about what? That's 7 minutes. Wow, I've only got 7 minutes too. And he was like, you can actually use 20 minutes to do your videos. Yeah, and I was squinting my eyes because of the small screen like beside me and things. So if I've been able to go for 7 minutes and then you are getting a video, I think I'll be adapting this kind of style. I wouldn't need to be cutting my videos plenty. I have my points here. I just look at them and then I actually express it. So this would mean that I would need to like learn more, read more, just to bring out the content to you. So yeah, here you have it. I hope this helps you out and stuff like that. I am Jehiel. I am a network engineer in training, a graphic designer, a tech content creator as well, and I do other things. I'm actually a jack of all trades and a master of few. Yeah, so I'll catch you soon, but till then, I think this will end it here. Bye.